ఏంటి ముమైత్ అప్ టు దీస్ డేస్? ఏంటి ఏం చేస్తుంది ముమైత్?
Recovering
from?
This year Jan I had aneurysm coiling done. That is because I met with an accident at home because my floor is marble and I have Italian bed. So normally Italian bed have sharp edges, right? You have square, low bed, square one and proper. So because of the floor being marble, I slipped and then I banged my head on the corner.
Okay.
Which I thought, okay, fine, I'll be fine. But then I directly got up in the hospital. And then I thought, oh, did I hurt my head so bad that I got stitches and I'm in the hospital right now?
Okay.
And then I get to know, because I don't remember anything, then I get to know that I bursted my 3 nerves and my brain was bleeding for 2 days continuously, which I don't know about it. I was in coma for 14 days.
God!
No, I'm serious.
Are you serious?
I'm not joking. Do you want the CD of my operation? You'll find andas in my brain. You'll find titanium wires in my brain. I have 9 titanium wires. So while the surgery was happening, because the 2 other nerves were swollen.
Okay.
So when they were injected, it was a very high upgraded version of operation, because normally anything happens with the brain, they shave, they cut, they stitch and everything. But this was very simple. It was from the hip bone. They inject you the wire which goes and block the area from where it's bleeding, the nerves are bleeding. So while inserting the 3rd one, I bursted my 2 more nerves because it was swollen. So the pressure, it bursted more. So even the doctors, they got so scared. So for safety purpose, they put 9 titanium wires in my brain. So
When this happened?
Jan 5th this year.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was, he literally said it, I'm not supposed to walk for 8 months because in aneurysm, it's advanced one, it's upgraded one. So what happens in that, even tying your shoe, it's a major problem. So I was not supposed to bend, my blood pressure should not, it was not supposed to go more than 130. It was like nothing, I was not supposed to do, no tension, no, and best part, I bursted my sensory system nerves because we have 4 brains, right? 2 bigger and 2 smaller. So one side, it gives you the sense of your feelings, your happiness, sad and everything. The other one is for your system and like, you know, so more and so on, because that's where the whole your body is connected. So I bursted my sensory system nerves. So, and I was the youngest patient in the hospital to get it done. And I was supposed to be out within 3 months, which I got out within 1 month because I missed my doggy, Molly. I told the doctor very clearly, या तो मुझे जाने दो या तो मेरे कुत्ते को लेकर आ जाओ. ये दोनों में से एक करो. And because I was the youngest patient, normally it happens with the older people. So they were quite, the doctors, they were quite curious to leave me or not to leave me because they don't know how will I recover. See, for old people, it's very easy because they're going to be on the bed for the most of the time. There is no walking, no exercise. And my job is completely different. I am more hyper, I am more active, I dance, I love music. So it's completely opposite. So they were quite scared. But at the same time, I gave them the confidence, like, you know, I have to do it. I need to get out because I cannot recover like this. I cannot. I need normal place to recover because from my childhood, I've never been a person like, you know, it's there in many people habit to victimize themselves and be like, oh, look at me, poor me, sympathize me. You know, there are people like that. And I am not at all like that. For me, it's like, okay, okay, forget it. Let's do something else. So when that happened, so he said it not to walk or work out or even do anything for 8 months. And he literally said it not to work for 2 years. No work. Nothing.
So Tika is your last movie.
No, I'm working, babe.
Okay.
As soon as I got out from the hospital, I got out within 1 month, 14 days. And I was supposed to go for my first checkup. So iske liye for a month I was in Mumbai. I went for a checkup and the first thing he said, you're not supposed to work. And I just told he's a senior doctor from Bombay Hospital. Like, he's no more, God bless him. He's no more, he was my doctor, P.L. Tiwari. He said it, no, you cannot work. And with this thing, now what happens, there is actually no filter from my brain till my mouth. Now
Yes.
it is more. There is no filter from my brain till my mouth.
Okay.
So when he said that, I was like, how am I supposed to recover my money which I gave it to your hospital? How can you say not to work? How is it not possible? I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? तूने मेरा मुंह ऐसा देखा. And good, I went with my cousin brother. I looked at my cousin brother because with this thing you get panic really faster, you get stressed out really fast and get hyper really faster, which I'm not supposed to do it.
Okay.
I looked at my brother. I'm like, dude, तू समझाना पड़ेगा इसको, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा लैंग्वेज. I cannot explain him. You have to tell him. I cannot explain. I am completely pakka fine. I personally feel that because I believe in the more you manifest, the more you feel and you have a willpower कि नहीं यार, it is normal, it will happen, this is life and this is how it is. You cannot do anything about it. You cannot cry, you cannot do anything about it. This is what your life is. Simple. So now move forward. So I told him, he's like, my brother was like, Munnu, you sit, wait, you go for your checkup, get your, like, you know, that CT scan done and ECG and all of that blood pressure check and everything, the first visit. I was doing that, I don't know what he was talking, I don't have any idea. As soon as I came out from my first checkup, I looked at him, he's like, see, you can work, but it's completely on you because it can break anytime.
Okay.
Yes, and if it does break, there is no chance for you to survive. Because this is a very delicate situation and with your thing, because you're the youngest patient and you're so hyper and all of that, that's the reason why we are telling you to take care and make sure your BP doesn't go above 130. So the previous year I used to work out. I stopped working out because of this. So now no workout, no listening to loud music, no doing anything. So after that checkup I was like, you know what, I need to go back to Hyderabad. बस हो गया, अब तो बस अब हैदराबाद भागो. नहीं, because over here, even though I don't work, even though if I chill, at least you're away from something, like, you know, you want to be away from the situation which has already occurred and you don't want to be in the same place.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Place
क्योंकि-
मारते, you
हाँ,
get that
you'll have that
refreshment.
flashback again and again. यार ऐसा हो गया, अरे ऐसा हो गया, ऐसे. So I wanted to change. So I wanted to leave the house and put my house on rent and come here.
Okay.
So within a month, I kept my house on rent and I came here and I started chilling out. And then Swapna Dutt called, Munnu, will you do this? Da, 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 da. I'm like, Dik Swapna, I don't have any problem. But there is this problem. I would love to test myself. I would love to come on this show and I would love, because I am one keeda. If you say no to me, I will try. See, I will not say मैं 100% तुम नहीं बोलो मैं हाँ करूँगी. My situation will be like 50-50. थोड़ा कर लेते, थोड़ा नहीं भी कर लेते, देख लेते क्या situation है. Like, you know, my thing is like that.
Give it a try.
हाँ, I have always been like this, babe. I have never, if you see my graph of work also,
Yes.
I never chose A grade, B grade,
Yes,
C
yes.
grade, या reality show नहीं करना, या TV नहीं करना, या ये नहीं करना. मैंने सब किया. क्योंकि I don't want to be in one situation or one category all the time. If you see, I did female oriented characters also, item song also, then reality shows also, television also, judging also. I did everything because I don't want to categorize myself into one thing. Me, I believe myself as a performer. I'm not an artist.
Yes.
I'm not an actress, I'm not an artist, I'm a performer.
Yeah.
I love to perform, I love to entertain. Because I am like that with my own self. So that's the reason why. Then I told Swapna, okay, Swapna, see, I don't have any problem to do it. But Swapna, the day when I said, no, my neck dukh raha hai, take me to the hospital immediately because this is the whole scene.
Okay.
Then they had all the medical and everybody set up for me. My staff were there. Like, she's a very, 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 very dear friend of mine. Swapna Dutt, I will do anything for her, for sure, because the way she treated me and the way they have taken care of me and everything, including Navdeep, including all the contestants, including everything for Super 2. So I went and I was like, कर लेते मुन्नू, देखते क्या होता है. तो if you'll see, even in Super 2 मैंने एक, see, होता है करने, पर दिल बोलता है नहीं, कभी कुछ हो, because now I'm on the position, I will not say कि कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा है, पर it is a very dangerous thing. Now
But for Super 2 is dangerous for your situation, right? By that time?
yeah, I did all the stunt.
Yeah, I have seen
ताकत है
that.
तो करना है, नहीं ताकत है तो then forget it. And then जब वो अमूल्या से तो झगड़ा हुआ, I never expected कि मेरा उससे कभी झगड़ा होगा because I really loved that girl so much.